What's going on YouTube? Recently, I had a problem with the Xbox One controller, and it started to get like a little squeak, like you can't hear it anymore, but it was like I can't hear it, like that, and it wasn't really loud, but it was just there, and you can kind of feel it in the triggers. So there's one thing that all you need to do is you don't need any product. And when I say any, you don't need anything. All you have to do is push down and go up to your controller and just go and breathe on it as if you were cleaning glasses.